In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer quote in Xero. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a clean, professional quote that reflects your pricing and terms without missing any required details. Start by opening Xero in your web browser and signing in to the organization you want to work with. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the plus icon. This is Xero's Quick Create shortcut. Click it to open the menu of new documents you can create. From that menu, choose Quote. This opens a fresh quote screen where you'll enter the details for your customer. Think of this page as a template. Xero will guide you with required fields, and you can adjust the rest to suit the job. Begin by selecting your customer in the contact field. Make sure the customer's email and address look right, as these will carry through to the document. If the contact isn't in your list yet, you can add it on the spot so your quote stays accurate and tidy. Next, confirm the quote date and set a valid until or expiry date. Setting an expiry helps keep pricing clear and time-bound. You can also add a reference or title to help you and your customer identify the quote later. Now add your line items. For each item, include a clear description, quantity, and unit price. If you use saved inventory items, selecting one will autofill details and save time. Choose the correct account code so your revenue is categorized properly, and check the tax rate for each line to match your local tax rules. If you offer a discount, use the discount field on the line so the math and record keeping stay consistent. As you type, Xero updates the subtotal, tax, and total automatically so you can spot any issues right away. Review the currency and whether prices are tax inclusive or tax exclusive depending on how you present pricing to customers. Pick the right branding theme to control the look of your quote, logo, colors, and layout, and add any notes or terms that clarify scope, timelines, or payment expectations. If supporting documents help your customer decide, attach them here so everything lives with the quote. Before wrapping up, scan through the entire quote. Contact details, dates, items, tax, totals, and formatting. A quick final check prevents back and forth later. Once everything looks correct, your quote is fully set up in Xero and ready for the next step in your process. That's it! You've created a customer quote in Xero complete with accurate details, clear pricing, and professional branding.